How to find your gift revenue on TikTok. Hello guys, today I will show you how to do this. Just watch this video until the end and subscribe in our channel. So let's start. First, you will just go to TikTok, then open it. After this, when your TikTok is opening, you will just go down here on your profile, open your profile. Then you will go to this three line here, open it, and then go to settings and privacy, click on it, and then go to balance. And when balance is open, you will click on gift revenue, and here on the screen you can find your gift revenue. For me, I don't have any gift revenue, so I can't see nothing. And that's it guys, I hope this video is useful for you. Don't forget to like and subscribe in our channel, and see you next video.